Okay, so for the seam finishes, you will make 2 plain seam. So again, when we make plain seam, right side facing each other, tinahin nyo lang siya ng running or the back stitch. So dalawa yung gagawin ninyo kasi we will be applying the same finish. So dalawa yung gagawin natin na same finish sa ating application, that is the flat felt at saka yung pink. So sa pink finish, gagawin nyo lang, since natahin nyo na siya sa wrong side ng 3/4 inch. So, ikakat nyo lang siya kahit mano-mano lang kung wala kayong pinking shears. So, you will just cut the pink finish and then open it. You can press. Paplansyahin nyo siya. So, ganito siya. Running stitch for the back stitch dito sa part na to. 3/4 ang sukat. And then, kakat nyo lang siya ng pink. So, this is the pink seam finish. Paplansyahin lang ng ganun. So, this is already your